Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA, and I just wanted to quickly show you some of my latest updates to our cabin decor. I love the blue, royal blue color out at the cabin, and I've shown you some of my enamelware out there in another video and a brief overview of the cabin, but I also wanted just to show you some of the quick updates that I made recently. I was getting a little bit tired of some of the really rustic look in our furniture area in the living room area, so I thought I would buy some nice cushions and some farmhouse style decor that just matches everything and makes it sort of pulls it together with some of the whites and the blues. So, hope you enjoy this. And just a quick update. And here's our little doggy Brandy. She's just fantastic. And she's about a year and a half old now. So, she's starting to mature. Not quite so feisty, but still pretty feisty when she wants to be. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. And we'll see you again soon. Thank you. If you like this video, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and also take a look at my other videos. And I hope you enjoy them. Thank you.